Good Friday morning, South Carolina weather watchers. We have made it through the week. I'm the host for South Carolina Weather, Jason Peterson. Let's go ahead and start off with your Friday weather. So, looking down near us right now, as you can see, we do have some rain over us right now. This rain potentially has some embedded thunderstorms with them, especially getting kind of close to the coast. Some rain up here near Columbia, Florence, Sumter, and this rain will be off and on pretty much all day. We will have, there's a chance that you could dodge some storms and that you could dodge some rain, but there's also some chance that you can get intercepted by the storms and rain. So it's honestly just where will those storms be at the time, how strong will they be, and when will they hit you. So that's going to be going on throughout the day. We do have some rain as well, pretty much including most of the southern East Coast. Florida's getting some action. So is Georgia, North Carolina, Virginia, Washington D.C., Maryland, and then if we look up north, we do have a rain snow mix up inside the northeast coast and just the regular northeast. But look at the west. No precipitation is falling in the west. Central U.S., we do have a couple of snow showers up inside of North Dakota and Minnesota, as well as the UP of Michigan. Central, but the South Central U.S. and the Ohio Valley is pretty much clear. So that is a great thing for them. When this storm moves off from us, you may think, oh well, we're just gonna have like a quiet period. No one's gonna get any rain or anything like that. I mean, like it's possible, but I think there is gonna be some snow that's gonna try and come down and get to the Ohio Valley, drop some snow for like Chicago, Fort Wayne, Cleveland, Columbus, Cincinnati, Ohio later. Uh, Later after the storm moves off the coast from us. So we're just gonna have to wait and see what happens with that. But for now, just we're the only ones right now getting rain. So let's go ahead and talk about the cloud cover. Cloud cover right now, obviously everyone has clouds over there. It's cloudy, going to be a cloudy day pretty much almost all day. We will start to see cloud clearing around like Friday night. So tonight, going into Saturday morning, around like the early morning hours, we probably will start to see those clouds start to clear us. And Saturday morning, we should wake up to a very nice day. So that is something that is really good for us. And then let's go ahead and talk about our current temperature. 58 inside Columbia, 57 inside Florence, 60 inside Myrtle Beach, 59 inside Charleston, 59 inside Augusta, and 58 inside Savannah. To our south, 63 in Tallahassee, 62 in Gainesville, 61 in Jacksonville, 61 in Orlando, 63 in Spring Hill. To our west, 58 in Atlanta, 58 in Athens, 59 in Macon, 55 in Birmingham, 51 in Huntsville, 60 in Montgomery, 65, no, sorry, 62 inside of Mobile, 63 in New Orleans, 61 in Baton Rouge, and then to our north, 54 in Charlotte, 53 in Fayetteville, 52 in Raleigh, 52 in Chattanooga, 51 in Memphis, and 60 inside of Wilmington. Here's our maximum temperatures for today. Uh, we do have maximum temperatures around 69 near Columbia, 68 near Sumter, 66 near Florence, 62 near Myrtle Beach, 66 near Charleston, 72 near Augusta, 67 near the upstate. So let's go ahead and go do this. Alright. So here's our max wind gust. Max wind gust today. It's gonna be a pretty breezy day when that cold front moves past us. Gusts can gust up to 31 miles an hour there in Charleston, 29 in Myrtle Beach, 22 in Columbia, 26 in Sumter, 24 in Florence, and 20s up there in the upstate. If we go around 6 hours out, those wind gusts still remain the same. So this goes until 2 p.m. Though our max wind gust will probably hit close to around like the afternoon to evening hours for sure. So gonna have to watch out for those wind gusts, especially if you're near the coast, because it seems like those are the places that are gonna get the worst of the wind gust from that cold front. Here's our precipitation for the next 24 hours. You can see places like Greenville, Spartanburg is done, but everyone else that you see on this map is obviously not done. I've gotten 7/10, no, sorry, not 7/10, 7/100th of an inch of rain at my house, according to my one weather station. The other one says 1/10 of an inch. So so in Somerville, we've already got like 1/10 of an inch already. But it says Charleston's still expected to get around 2/10 of an inch. Myrtle Beach around 4/10. Florence and Sumter around 2/10 to 3/10. So we're just gonna, and not a lot of rain accumulation with this, but definitely some storms that we're gonna have to watch for. And here is the radar right here. If we push this forward, you can see those showers push, and they're gonna push down, and they're gonna get out of our hair. But then there's gonna be kind of like a little bit of a rebound, kind of, and we're gonna get potentially those severe storms as well. When that cold front passes us, though, it seems like we're gonna be mainly clear. But some of these storms can definitely do something with severe weather. And to show y'all why, if we go to the NAM 3 kilometer, this goes around 10 hours out, so that should be fine. But if we go forward, you can see that the NAM 3 kilometer was showing like some potential storms, and you can see those storms already, you see those storms right there popping up, and they really are showing potentially some pretty marginally severe storms. That's why that we have the marginal risk of severe weather, because these storms will be isolated. Now, there's a chance that they could get rid of the marginal risk completely. They'd be like, no, it's probably not going to happen. They could, but I I don't really think that they would, but I mean, it's possible. But yeah, so storms are possible today, and that's why we have the marginal risk of severe weather. As you can see, for Columbia, Charleston, Wilmington, North Carolina, North Charleston, Mount Pleasant, Somerville, and Myrtle Beach, do have that marginal risk of severe weather. A few strong to severe storms are possible during the afternoon and early evening over portions of South Carolina and southeastern North Carolina. It's seeming like if we go ahead and check some marginally severe hail, and capable of producing locally strong / gusty winds before storms weaken / move offshore during the evening. So before those storms move offshore, there's obviously those chances of that hail and that damaging winds from them. But I don't see anything. That's the day one, so we'll probably go on. And here's the day one for the excessive rainfall outlook. We do have less than a 5% chance of that excessive rainfall inside all of the United States, so that is good. No flash flooding is expected. And we do have our U.S. drought monitor out as well. U.S. drought monitor is looking pretty good. No drought is happening. No abnormally dry is happening inside of South Carolina, so we are good to go. And that's going to about wrap this up. So thank y'all so much for watching this forecast video. And I will see y'all tonight with another forecast update. Actually, I'm trying to think, because tonight I might actually be gone somewhere. So it will either be like early in the evening, or it's going to be like late, like when I get back. So it could be later than it is usually at 7, like I usually do, because I'm gonna be gone by 7 unless they cancel the thing that I'm going to because of the weather. But anyways, there will be a video out. I just am not certain what time it will be. I just need to figure out what time I'm gonna leave and what time we're getting back, and then I'll decide from there when it's gonna be. But thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all later today.